Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate destination for in-depth reviews and analysis of the latest products on the market. Today, we have something special in store for all you boating enthusiasts out there. We're diving into the world of pontoon boat accessories with what we believe is the best pontoon boat door latch available. Introducing the Pontoon Boat Gate Latch Replacement Kit, a heavy-duty marine door latch designed to provide superior functionality and durability for your pontoon boat. Let's delve into what makes this product stand out from the rest. Crafted from strong polypropylene material, these latches are built to last. Say goodbye to worries about breakage, rattling, or corrosion. With a universal size that fits square frames of 1 inch, 1 1/8 inches, and 1 1/4 inches, you can rest assured that these latches will suit your needs. Whether your gate is left-hinged or right-hinged, this replacement kit has you covered. Its versatility ensures compatibility with a variety of setups. No need to fret about complex installations. With all accessories included, you can have these latches installed within minutes, getting you back out on the water in no time. Backed by superior quality and a commitment to customer satisfaction, this kit offers peace of mind. And if you encounter any issues, their customer service is ready to assist. Now that we've covered the key features, let's talk about the benefits you can expect from investing in this Pontoon Boat Gate Latch Replacement Kit. Thanks to its robust construction, these latches are built to withstand the rigors of marine environments, ensuring long-lasting performance. With its universal fit design, you won't have to worry about compatibility issues. Whether you have a left-hinged or right-hinged gate, this kit has you covered. Gone are the days of struggling with cumbersome installations. This kit's straightforward installation process means less time tinkering and more time enjoying your boat. In conclusion, the Pontoon Boat Gate Latch Replacement Kit offers the perfect combination of durability, convenience, and peace of mind for pontoon boat owners everywhere. Whether you're a seasoned sailor or a novice navigator, this kit is sure to elevate your boating experience. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful reviews. Until next time, happy boating!